Shalom Chavarim, members of our class. This is Richard Solomon, and this will be a screen recording on one of the items for assignment 1, which we hope you'll be able to do during the first week of class. Now, I make an assumption you can get to the course webpage for Judaic instruction utilizing free web tools. That's the next 113-OL-1 course. And this is a screen recording on the assignment for week 1. So let's go to the assignment for week 1 by clicking here and getting to the assignment. So we just click right here. Okay. And the assignment says, click here on this Google Drive document for a list of the preliminary Gmail skills we want you to master during week 1 of the course. So let's click here. This is a hyperlinked word, which means it'll attach to a website, in this case, Google Drive document. So let's click the hyperlink word here and click on that. And here, Chevre is the assignment item for preliminary Gmail skills in our course. You'll notice that it says, before beginning to learn these preliminary Gmail skills, please click here to see a screen recording of these initial challenges before you do these items or master these items. So what are these items that you'll be learning during the first week of class? Well, if you don't know already how to do that, you'll be relearning or reviewing how to create a new contact on Gmail, how to create a group contact list on Gmail, how to attach files on Gmail, how to hyperlink a word, a phrase, or a sentence on Gmail. You will create and send Richard and your learning partner a Gmail message with a hyperlink word, phrase, or sentence, and an attachment. Okay, and here's a reminder regarding who your of my email, and here's information on how to find out who your learning partner is. So if you just click here and go like this, you will get information on who your learning partner for the first couple weeks of the class will be. If you want to get back to the assignment, you click here. If you want to get to the contact information form for the members of our class, we'll click here. So let's go over here and get back to assignment 1. All right, as a reminder, click here to get the contact information about your learning partner. So let's quickly begin to show you first how to create a new contact on Gmail, and then how to create a group contact list on Gmail. Okay, so let's go to my Gmail account. This is my Gratz Gmail account, rsolomon@gratz.edu, and here is my account. And let's find out how to make a new contact. So you see where it says mail over here? Right. So you just click on this down arrow and you can continue on being on mail, or you can get to contacts. So we want to make a new contact. All right. Now I already made contacts for Debbie, Aaron, and Aaron Hirsch. But let's say I want to make a new contact. Let's pretend for a moment that Elaine Solomon, my wife, Elaine C. Solomon, is a member of this class. Okay, and I just put down her email address, which is esolomon44@gmail.com. And I just save it. And now here's a list of all my contacts. We have Debbie, Elaine, and Aaron. Okay, so that's how you make a contact. Once again, to make a contact, you just go and click on contact. By the way, if at any time you feel this screen recording is going too fast, just stop it and write down notes so you can follow this. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is how to make a group contact list. We remain on contacts, and you see over here what says new group. Okay, so we're gonna click on this and make this into a new group. And let's say we call this group the Gratz course group. What's the name of this course? Gratz Judaic instruction. Okay, group. We'll call that Judaic. Let me spell that properly. Okay, so now we have a Gratz Judaic group. Okay, you see that? It's right over there. And you'll notice that there are no contacts in this group. So we need to add contacts into this group. It's very simple. The way you do it is you see this person with a button over here? See that? You just click on that and you write the names of the people who you want to be in the group. So let's say we want to have Aaron Hirsch in the group. So we click on Aaron. Let's say we want Debbie Aaron to be in the group. So we click on Debbie Aaron, and we want, let's say, Elaine Solomon to be in the group. Okay? And we hit add. And look, in the Judaic instruction group, we have Debbie, Elaine, and Aaron. Now notice this, if I click on Elaine's name and I would like to delete her from the group, I just hit delete contact. And now only Debbie and Aaron are in the group. So I showed you how to make a new contact, and I showed you how to make a new group and how to place the people in the group. All right, let's find out what else we ought to do. How to attach files and how to hyperlink a word, a phrase, or a sentence on Gmail, and then send that to me and your learning partner. All right, so let's find out how to do that. Let's get back to Gmail. Remember, to get back to Gmail, you go here. All right, and let's compose Gmail by simply hitting the word compose over here. And let's compose this to Erin. Okay, let's say she's my contact or my learning partner. Okay, so, and the subject will be how to, let's say the subject is demonstration on how to attach a file and hyperlink a word, a phrase, or a sentence. Okay, so we write to our partner, dear Erin. No, that's not right. Dear Erin, here's my assignment on assignment on attaching a file and hyperlinking. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is to show you how to attach a file, and that's fairly straightforward. You see over here which says there's a clip icon for attached files. You just click on the clip icon, and that will take you to your computer. and you attach a file by simply clicking on any file. It could be an image file, it could be a PowerPoint file, it could be um, a document you had written. Okay, so you just click on that and you hit open, and that file will upload onto your computer. Let me give you another example. Okay, so you attach a file, you get to your computer. These were Shabbat pictures, but I could uh, do other kinds of pictures, or I could do other kinds of documents that I could share. Here's an image on Purim. Okay, and you see how that works? Okay, so here's my assignment on attaching a file and hyperlinking. So I showed you how to attach a file. Now let's talk about hyperlinking. Now what we said is that to hyperlink a word, a sentence, or a phrase is to make that word, sentence, or phrase into an active link that connects you to the internet in some way. So let me show you how to do this, okay? So the first thing we want to do is we want to decide what URL or address we want to attach it to. So let's, for argument's sake, open up a new tab. Okay, and let's say I want to find out the link to Gratz College. Okay, so I go to the Gratz College link. Okay, and here it is, and I copy this link. I highlight it, and then I simply copy, which is I'm doing right now, and I get back to the document that I wrote, and let's say I want to hyperlink this word and attach it to Gratz College. Did you notice? So what I did is I double clicked on this, and I go down over here, and you see this little icon that looks like a link. I click on that, and I paste Gratz College link that I copied before. Okay, did you see how I did that? And if you click on this and you click below, it says go to link, it'll take you to Gratz College, the link I had copied before. Let's show that another way. If I wanted to attach a phrase, I just highlight a portion of the phrase, I go to the link, and I paste it. Okay? And if I want to, so now this whole phrase is hyperlinked. Now if I want to attach or hyperlink this entire sentence, I highlight it. I then go to this insert link, and I put the Gratz link or URL right in here, and I hit OK. And now this entire link is hyperlinked and will take me to Gratz College. Now, if I want to send this demonstration, I just go and click on send, and Aaron Hirsch, my partner, will receive this. And of course, if I wanted to also send it to myself, I just put my own name in, Richard D. Solomon. Okay, so I have a different address here, it doesn't matter. But I can even add Debbie Aaron if I want. By the way, if I wanted to CC someone or BCC someone, this is a blind carbon copy. You just click on this, and you just click send, and it'll go to them. So let's say I do send it to them. Okay, and I sent one to myself, but I sent it on a different Gmail account and will be sent to them. We could view the message to make sure it was sent. And here it is. Here's my assignment on attaching a file, and here are the attachments. So let's see if we did all the things we said that we would do for this. We sent and created a new contact. We created a group contact list. We attached a file or attached files. We hyperlinked a word or phrase or sentence. And we created an email and sent it to Richard and to your learning partner with a hyperlink word, phrase, or sentence, and a should be the attachment. Richard's Gratz email address is here, and to find out who your learning partner is here. I haven't done that yet. Once people enroll in the class, I will be assigning learning partners to you. And here's how you get to the contact information form for the members of our class. So basically, that's how you do those skills, and we wish you well. And of course, if you need any help, you know how to contact me through Skype, through Gmail, through my telephone, and one of these days you'll learn how to contact me through Google+ Hangout. Thank you so much.